Hi all, Little Miss Eccentric is back, third time in 3 days, and oh my goodness, we have the biggest reveal, probably the best reveal yet. Let's unbox and see. I am so super excited to see what's in here. The box is actually too big to show you, but there's a humongous a lot of goodies and absolutely unbelievable. I just can't wait to show you all the goodies that are in here. It's just like amazing, absolutely amazing. It's just like an endless supply. So I'm not sure how long it's actually going to take to do this video, but my goodness, we're in for a treat. And most of the contents I don't know even what's in here. So let's reveal. Okay, so we're starting with his horseshoe shaped brooch. There's a lot of rhinestones going right throughout that one. And the roll over clasp, so that's really, really pretty. Very nice. If you haven't seen before, I have a website, www.littlemisseccentric.com.au. I also sell on Marketplace as well, so you can find me there. And I do have an Instagram page as well. Thankfully, this lot of jewelry is going to be easier to unpack than yesterday's lot. That will save us lots of time. Let's see what's in this bag. So pretty. So, if you see anything you like, please comment below and let me know. Ooh, my goodness, is this what I think it is? And already we're only in the second brooch in, and my heart's starting to skip a beat. So I actually think this is really, really pretty. How beautiful is that brooch? Look at the beautiful gold overtones. And I'm possibly thinking that's actually a designer piece that has actually not been signed. Just going by the looks of that piece, is absolutely divine. Oh my goodness, how beautiful is that? Look at the beautiful gold overtones and the workmanship in that. It's just beautiful. That's beautiful. Very, very nice. What's next? What's next? So if you haven't found me before and you're new to my channel, please do like and subscribe. The more we have people on here, the better. It helps me grow. And that's what I want to do, is grow my page, my Facebook page. Okay, this one is a little, well, I shouldn't say so little, it's quite a lovely size and a really beautiful large brooch. Possibly designer piece again, even though I cannot see any stamps on there, but that's a real beauty, that one. Once again, it's got the rollover clasp and it's in pristine condition, so that'll look beautiful worn or amongst your collection. What a stunner. And look at how it's surrounded by smaller rhinestones. That's a real beautiful piece. I think we're going to have lots of pieces that we love today. What I might actually have to do, because we do have so many, is just keep that space clean and come back to it later and show you which ones are my favourites. And as we go on, please comment below and let me know which ones are your favourites. So we have something in the bag. It looks really beautiful. Oh, wow. Look at that beauty. Oh my goodness, look at that beauty. And look at those claws around there. I told you this was a special lot. And actually a lot of this is from America. A lot of it's new, older stock. So never been worn or touched. Look at that, and look how that's just, look at the beautiful, that's true beauty. And what I really love about this one is the beautiful work around here. Is that gorgeous, or is that gorgeous? Now, if you're anything like me and you love your jewelry and you love anything vintage, your heart may be doing a skippity-doo-dah, just like Little Miss Eccentric is today. This just came fresh in the mail today, and I'm absolutely so far stoked. So, oh my goodness, this is going to be so much fun, and we've got so much more here. So please watch this to the very, very end, because my goodness, the treasures here are just absolutely amazing. Ooh, okay. We have a lovely necklace being thrown in. It's got a few extra goodies thrown in as a treat. I might actually put these on my neck later, my display neck, not my neck, and showcase them later. So it's a lovely, lovely piece. Very nice, very nice. The older clasp, very pretty. If you don't know that already, that's probably around about the 50s or 60s. This hook here, just a sec. Let's grab hold of it again. Here we go. That's an indication of an older piece of jewellery. That's absolutely divine, that piece. Very nice, and it's faux. It's a faux pearl necklace. And I can tell that just by the feel of it. But it still doesn't make it just a piece of costume jewellery. That's actually a very nice pearl necklace, faux pearl necklace that's withstood the age of all the years that it's been around. Don't know what's in here. What's in here? So pretty. So pretty. What could it be? Oh my goodness. Oh, it's earrings. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Well, look at that. Just look at that. We have a beautiful set. We have a matching clip-on earrings and brooch set. How beautiful is that? Look at that. Look at the beautiful work in that. Oh my goodness, I love it. Really love it. And I'll just pick those two up. And what sort of earrings are they? They're clip-on earrings, okay. Clip-on earrings, how beautiful is that set? That is absolutely divine. Love it. I love the colours in there. How vibrant is that? Oh my goodness, how hard it is going to be today to choose which ones my favourites are, because oh my goodness, I don't think I want this box to end actually, because it's just so beautiful, so divine. Another bag. Everything's been bagged up pretty, beautifully packed, and I'm so chuffed about what's being unboxed. This looks really pretty. My goodness, it's an amber-like stone. I haven't come across amber, so I'd say it's probably just glass. But look at the beautiful work on that. Look at that. That's just beautiful. Really beautiful. Roll over clasp just there. Lovely claws, so that's a good quality brooch. And once again, it's a beautiful size. Beautiful. Love that amber coloured stone, even if it's not amber. Well, this is totally different. Wow, look at that. That's really unusual, isn't it? It's like a large safety pin with a stone on the end. That's interesting. Very interesting piece. Nice. He wants to come and play with me and go through my jewellery. It is so much fun. It's like a kid in a candy store, I'll tell you what, but so much more better. That's beautiful too. Look at that. Beautiful. How beautiful. All those rhinestones. A beautiful red centre. I love them when they're like that. They're nice, bright sparkle right in the middle, surrounded by all these smaller rhinestones. And we have, oh my goodness, so much fun. I don't want it to end. No, I don't want it to end. Oh my goodness, I have to open this before I even show you. I can tell you now, just by having a short glimpse at this, this is not going to be sold at all. I don't think so. Because I think it's the cutest little thing. And guess what little Miss Eccentric loves? Cutest little things. How cute is that pig? Isn't it just the darnest cutest pig ever? I'll have to wear that one. Adorable for sure. Oh my goodness. Hello, little pig. How cute you are. I love you. Cute, cute, cute. There's another little cute figural one. Really, really sweet. It looks like a dove. I might be very, very tempted to keep that one. We shall see. Look at it. It's got a cute little bell on there. And it's got a stamp on there. Can't quite make it out at this stage because, like usual, I've left my loop behind in my eager anticipation to unbox this lot. So I just wanted to delve in, but I love that one as well. Which one's your favourite so far? Aren't they just beautiful? And what do we have here? What do we have? Oops. Open up. Oh, okay. We have a cameo and it's a real shell. As I was saying in my last video, I love the cameos that have the real shell. I don't like the resin ones so much, but look at that. That's real shell, isn't that lovely? And it's clawed in both sides. A small one, but a beautiful one. It's not a brooch, it's on an actual necklace. And it's on its own original vintage necklace at that, chain I should say. And I'm not sure if that's stamped or not, but not that I can see now. But that's pretty for the cameo collectors. So I've actually got a nice bundle of cameo jewelry. I might bundle all that together and sell it in one go. So if you are a cameo collector, I might do a cameo bundle. Just comment below if you're interested. I do only post Australia-wide, so please keep that in mind. Thank you to my sender who sent me this beautiful jewelry. You did a beautiful job, and I'm very, very happy. So thank you. You know who you are. Oh, well, well, well. Look at this one. How beautiful is that, hey? Some of these are going to be so hard to part with. I try to be very, very good and sell a lot of my stuff, but it's just sometimes you see more than one thing you want to keep, and I try to keep at least one thing out of each unboxing, at least the very, very minimum. But I don't know, this time there might be a few that are keepers. Isn't that just beautiful? I do like that. It's so cute. It's so cute. Okay, here's a lovely, beautiful brooch lying inside, waiting to be worn again by someone special. Who is that someone special? Lovely little rhinestone brooch. Look at that. They're real little sparklers, those ones. All stones appear to be intact as well. How beautiful is that? Beautiful condition. Just beautiful. I like. But wait, there's still more. So that's a real pretty one, and it's an older one as well. And I'll tell you why I know it's older. It's because of this C-clasp just there, the older C-clasp. There, see? So you know they're older brooches when they're like that. But look at that. That's real sweetie. Faux pearls, but really, really pretty. Something that Grandma would have worn in days gone by. How pretty. Very nice, very nice. Boxes within boxes. That's pretty. That's very nice. Just trying to see if that's real pearl or not. It could be. It looks like it's a real pearl, but I'm just not sure at this stage. That's nice. That's pretty. That's a pretty brooch. I do like that. Lovely. Ooh, look at those flowers. Hang on a minute. It's like it's ceramic on top of ceramic, something like that. It's just raised. The flowers are raised. And it's got a beautiful gold framework and surrounded by a few rhinestones. So that's a really nice one. I like that. That's all sweetie. Very nice. I keep saying that because they are all nice. Another pretty one. Oh my goodness, my heart's just going boom, 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 boom. So excited. This is what dreams are made of, all beautiful jewelry like this. How can you love anything modern that's just mass produced and not the same feeling and love that's into it like vintage jewelry? Vintage jewelry is a class of its own. Look at that one. So that's old work. It's looks like it's a flower that's been placed inside like a bubble, like what's the word? Shell-like. I've lost the word completely for that. I think you know what I mean anyway. It's encased in there. A lovely gold work on there. That's pretty. Just looking at, that's like a C clasp. Not as old as that old other C clasp you get, but still another older one. So it's pretty. I do like that. Maybe from the 50s or 60s. Oh, here's another one. How beautiful is that one? Look at the size of it. I'm not sure, I've got myself tongue twisted there. I'm not sure what sort of work that is. It's quite sort of half light, half heavy, if that makes sense. It's like, yeah, that probably didn't make sense at all. But how beautiful is that? That kind of C clasp again, C clasp. So I'll have to have a bit of a study up and see if I can find anything like it and see who the makers are. But that's a really beautiful size, just beautiful, love it. So many favourites, oh my goodness. Please like my channel and subscribe. Do you? Look at the glow and glimmer in that one, that's absolutely divine, isn't it? Look how that's just sparkling on the camera. Absolutely unreal, that one. How beautiful. Wow. Really nice. Beautiful. My goodness. That's really nice as well. Wow, look at that. Gold. Framework. Black. I forgot the name again. I did that yesterday as well. The name of that black stuff that's just there. And it's got some extra raised work there as well. That's pretty. How beautiful, my goodness. How beautiful. My sister and I also have a Facebook group called the Brooch Queens, and we both list daily. She's just as bad or mad about vintage jewelry as I am, so if you want to look us up on Facebook, it's www.facebook.com. No, yes, that's right, facebook.com /the Brooch Queens. I'll type that up in when I do some editing as well. And this little pin's going to bite me in a minute if I don't. Yeah, that's better. Clasp it back together again. My goodness, oh, there's something in here. The other day I was unboxing a bundle. I thought I was done, and I nearly tossed the box out and I went back to the box, and I found another piece of jewellery which is worth about $120. I was so excited to find that in there that I nearly missed it. I could have tossed that box out or never have seen it, so got to be so careful. Here's a pretty bar-like brooch. That's a real pretty one. for someone who doesn't like too much fuss, but wants us to make a statement. So that's classy, very nice. Even a simple one to wear to a wedding, like the mother of the bride or something. And I just checked the pearls and the faux pearls, but that doesn't matter because it's still beautiful. Of course it's beautiful, it's very beautiful. Just tested that and it feels like it's more like pearl, real pearl, that one. But I'll double check after to see. Yeah, it's got lovely gold surrounds on that one. That's really pretty. It's like a pink center stone. What do we have here? Can you believe it? We're only partially through the box and 24 minutes into the video. I do like to keep my videos short, but it's not always the case. This is pretty. Like I said, I do love my figural brooches. It's a real sparkle, that one. Very nice. Oh, beautiful. Shall I put that on my website? Beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at it. Can you imagine owning all this and displaying it so beautifully? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm trying to speed it up a little bit so I'm not taking too long. Another rhinestone brooch. I'd say it's to be worn that way. Lovely pink rhinestones, clear rhinestones. Very nice. Okay, looks like a mother of pearl brooch. Ooh, that's pretty. What a nice variation. We've got the silver overtones, some different coloured rhinestones, pink centre rhinestone, and I'm pretty sure that is mother of pearl shell. And just like even the twist of the silver work there, that's really nice as well. Nice. Very, very sweet and simple, but sweet. A smaller one. Oh my goodness, that is a sparkle. Look at that. Smaller size one. My goodness, what a treat we're in for. Super duper happy. Super duper happy. A leaf brooch. Pretty, look at that work in that. Very nice. Are you enjoying? Thumbs up if you're enjoying. Or comment below how much you're enjoying. Oh my goodness, look at that. How beautiful is that? My goodness, look at the work in that one. All the gold. And the beautiful lady, two ladies, so it's a scenery of two ladies. Isn't that just gorgeous? Very pretty. I do like more bows. I've got more bows. Bow collectors, where are you? I've got loads of bows to sell. Lovely. So why not come along, enjoy shopping with me. Spoil yourself or someone special. Wear it, gift it, add it to your collection. Okay, we have a necklace. Once it's untangled, I think it's a necklace. Yes, it's a necklace. It's an old vintage necklace. Oh, it is tangled. Oh, come on, untangle, untangle. There we go, we got that. So it's lovely. Featuring the old clasp just there. Pretty, very pretty. I'd say they will be faux pearls. Look at the nice work there, it's all nice and smooth. Definitely faux pearls. Definitely a beautiful piece. Oh! Oh my goodness, look at this one. How pretty is that one? Lovely gold work, and look at the size of it. Beautiful, so beautiful. My goodness, what was the clasp on that? That was a rollover, no, it's a C clasp. No, it's a rollover, clasp, that one. Ooh, well. Oh, that's another, oh my goodness. Oh, how many times have I said ooh today? I told you this was the best ever unboxing. The best ever. Look at it. Look at the blues and the pinks. The beautiful rhinestones in there. How divine is that? And the lovely lady that sold this to me, she thought I was going to be disappointed. My dear lovely lady, letting you know that I am super duper happy. Very, very happy. Oh, wow. Look at that one. Oh my goodness, look at that one, look at that one. Look at all the work in there. As I said, a lot of these come from America. A lot of them are untouched, new old stock. My goodness, all the beautiful rhinestones. Look at that large center one. And the beautiful clear stones and the reddish coloured stones. And the faux pearls. What a lovely variety, a mix of work there. How beautiful. The old C clasp. How beautiful is that, eh? My goodness. Looks like it's metal and enamel work. But I do love that one. That has to be surely stamped, and if not, it's definitely our designer piece. But look at the lovely rhinestone stem down the leaf there, and just the work or the curve of that shape to it's beautiful. Any stamps on that? Not that I can see. That's a lovely porcelain style brooch. I've had a few of those before. That's sweet, a little sweetie. And another beautiful bow. That is a really, really beautiful bow. Oh my goodness, look at the colours in that. How beautiful is that? Marcasite as well. Amethyst coloured rhinestones. Clear rhinestones. That's a real beauty, that one. Yes, that's a real beauty. It's going to be so hard to go over and show you which ones I love today because just there's so many. There we go, here's another one. Such a lovely variety. Really beautiful. One's got a clear like stones, but sort of like a cloudy kind of centre. So that's pretty. Here we go, a nice shiny kind of brooch. That's nice. That's sort of the one with the chains. They always seem to go well. Everyone's got their own style. Some like simple, some like bows, some just like collecting animals. Other people love their rhinestones. We're all unique in our own right. So we have something to cover everyone. The letter C. I think it's the letter C. Is it the letter C? If that's the letter C, that is for me. Or is it the letter L? No, it's not the letter L. It looks like a C to me. Sweet. Ooh, another sparkler. I love my sparklers. Look at that. Just absolutely oozing sparkle. How beautiful. How beautiful. Very, very happy. Oh, that's a little sweetie. Another bow with a ceramic flower and a faux pearl drop, so that's sweet. That's really nice as well. Just a little sweet, dainty one. Beautiful. So that's another box done. Oh my goodness, there's more. I think what I'm going to do is break this video up in 2 sections because we're already at 36.35 seconds, 37 seconds. So what I'll do is break this video up and edit it, and then I'll do part 2 of this wonderful, fabulous, best ever unboxing. I'll see you soon. Bye. Wait, what I'll do actually is show you my favourites out of this lot, and then I'll start the next video. So let's see what the favourites are. Okay, that one, this is only like approximately half the box that we've undone so far. So we've got that yellow one just there. I'll put those ones aside. What else? Oh, that one is absolutely divine. Really love that. I do like that one as well. I think it's real cool. Yeah, I did show that one, yep. Okay, and then that's just a sweetie. Oh, can we see that one? There. Okay, and so many. It's hard to choose everything. Now this set here is beautiful. There's not much room here to work with. So the brooch earring set. That's really, really beautiful. Just love that work in there, the framework there. So that's absolutely beautiful. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Let's put you there for a minute. Okay, so we'll say yes to that one. Love that one. I love that one as well. Okay, what else? What else? Always love my sparklers, always. Okay, and this one. Oh my goodness. So, oh, and this. Okay. Little Mr. Oink Oink. So they're my favourite out of half this reveal. So stay tuned while I get ready for the next part of the video. See you soon. Bye.